Yeah. Before we just move on, I mentioned some people, your Stembo Sozondos, your Sboob Telezis,
Thomas Hadebe,
your Thomas Hadebe.
Decay the late.
How were you able to identify abantu ozothi mawubasondeza babe ne-impact? Because wawusondeza abantu bafike kubonakale lapha abanyathele khona.
One of in my radio career, abantu abenza content in my show, Sthembiso Zondo, number 2, Sboob Telezi, 3, we comedy, it was Felix Lope.
Yeah.
That's the highlight we radio. Abantu aba who contributed. Ngoba abantu benza mistake uba host bese yonke ishine ebe again. Zondo, yo bro. Yo, bro. That 5 minutes was too much. That motivation, it was 5 minutes, but when you start the show, you are pushing a link, you are saying, okay, I'm going back 22-7, and then 10-2, I'm going to motivate. My peli motivation, okay, I'm like, okay, then I can continue with the show. Because I went and up. 2, Telezi motivation. There was someone within the management that time, this thing is not working, you are good alone. And then usbu craft usbu and his mellow way bega pezul. So I feel we prank Felix. Aye, bro. No.
On another level.
Felix is a bro. No, bro. You know, we pair like that 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then Sapuma 9 management. We did something very funny on that. It was too much. We called Paul and Felix. Felix did something too much. What's happening? I busy management. What to Bonoza? Then they sing Eseng Preg. Funing I moilia. Say dali moy. Because Felix called to Poloza. What I got it da phone. What to Felix? Baba so what come lapa. So check your phone out da Poloza. Da. So Felix no Zondo. No, man. You know, the man is my guy. I tell you, Felix, bro, you did something. And that police guy, Kenny, Jeluguti, Wambo Muntu, that was.
Oh, yes, I remember the one.
He called someone, call his phone, call his Uti, Jeluti Moditate, BMW, Jaman test drive. Yeah, Shimot. Na motisha. Also, someone different California Pumum 17. So, it's as he push the envelope to the level where we say, hey guys, Zandil. As no, guys, push an envelope in and show good names or something. So, I will always be grateful to Stembiso Zondo. We did magic Nozon from 0 to hero. Yeah, okay. It's not over. Going to places. It was too much. I'm telling it much when I speak in churches. We made a mistake. We were bigger brands. Sensing mistake. Sang a niggas the glory. And Nukunukula gaitandi into engenai. No ma inai in motivation. But we were praised. We were not a court. I was like, don't no.
Yeah.
No, we're going to churches.
Yeah.
We are fine. And then even people they were trying. Even imagine when we work together, we laugh because people they try, dude. No, when you're better than Linda, Linda, when you're better, you gave this guy a platform. But later we say, oh, okay, it is because it was too much.
Yeah, I remember.
No.
Yeah,
it was too much.
So I want us to school Kaya La Kelisha. Got up on with sphere Kaya La Kelisha. I've got 2 questions.
Yes, sir.
What is your most difficult moment and also your most enjoyable moment?
A difficult one, it was a day Kansas singing on a Shona. And then I was called because I was very close to Bodi, and then I was told to go to Kansas City, Tagaseko. And then management, bro, came to but he don't say anything. Okay, and then what I'm whying the tula. Got to know was a show breakfast show kusasa.
Yo.
When I keep quiet. Was Quebec. Ngathi yeah. But yo mfo ngaqhubeka ne show and then kwashiwo ekuseni. The whole day I was SABC ngihleli ngaphandle emotweni. So ukuhamba Kansas City, that thing killed me, bro. Yangibulala in a way ngangibona ngathi uNkulunkulu wrong ukuthi wabukazazi. It was the way angimthanda ngayo. But I kanti ngiyazi ngizobani with the brother again uMandla Malakwane who took over indawo ka Kansas and then Botloza did that. So lesikhathi saba i-period engekho right in my life. Emnandi mfo, I can do breakfast show.
Yeah.
I can do a Sunday show. I can do a jazz show. I can do fusion. I can even do a talk show.
Yeah.
I can do a talk show.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I know.
No problem. I can do a talk show. But 36.
Yeah.
No, 36, man. No, bro, no. I did well. There, no, bro. 326. You know the day Malakwane hamba, the time I joined politic, and then Malakwane came in studio, if I get bachelor, the political party, it's my last day.
Yeah.
Then management after the Bangena, but with Nota, we are coming at the show until 6.
Yeah.
Ngaqhubeka mangiphelwa ngo6 ngabizwa management, the late Big Msane Botloza, everyone, the management, Vicky, wakhona even uVicky in that meeting. I think uVicky, no, move on Mapalala. Was like, this is not your show. Got 3 to 6. Prove yourself. We're looking for a replacement ka Kansas City, ka Mandla Malakwane. Yo. And then my poor Botloza ngibiza. Wathi valumya mfana wami.
Yeah.
Wathi ngena kusasa nafumba umgodi. Wathi ke bonomi ke. Le show kuyona yakho. Kodwa yiva umgodi la. Ungadlali. Engaphuma, then I went home.
Yeah.
Prepare ngabuya. Abasakazi abaningi manje, I'm so sorry Sim. Banende day one abalaleli the music they're going to play on air.
Yeah.
Tina will have 1 hour, 2 hours listening to the music, and then you uzodlala on air. I did that. Yeah. So 3 to 6 for me na. That was radio.
Wow. Sengiyadlula nje. But I mean, I was watching a chat that you were having. I think a long time ago. Ngathi nomsweli yini kuleyo ngxoxana.
Yes. Malakwane.
Yes, the Malakwane, yes. And then you were talking about this story. Samsweli esevenini.
No, umsweli dog. Umsweli what a man, bro. Umsweli yaboshwa usevenini. Maze mina yasikhathi mase ku traffic spot uthi khona umsweli befonela umsweli. Umsweli kwani. Ngithi mina ya. Si umsweli. Ngiboshiwe la kubo. Ngidayela ke. Shaya traffic kodwa ulapha phansi. Usi prepare the event athe ngide shaya ngathi nje waboshiwe. Athe ngide shaya traffic esambeni. Aisha want to ngiworried. Aisha ngithi sure sabo ngamsweli ngidlule. Makuphela ngithi ubashiwe. So mangibona after show ngithi wena uzumgoqa. Don't know, I'm serious ngiboshiwe. Ngithi kodwa you strong boy.
No strong. But now you have faith in him.
No, I have faith.
Yeah.
I mean, one thing, bro. Abantu, I don't know, is pure samba bahlala besho njalo. Ngiyakwazi ukubona into ukuthi lo ungena la. Yabo ngihleli nami manje sengiyazi. I can tell you ukuthi in radio what you can do. I can tell him what he can do. Kunezinto eziningi ukuthi lo upowerful we interview lo this is what he can do. He can host well no so and so. Ngiyakwazi ukuba nendlebe nokubuka into. So nomsweli ngangine show ukuthi lo mjida lo comedian uyishaya evening ngithi wethu oyishaya ngamcall ukuthi ngekathi ngimoshiwe balale. That was great. I enjoyed that. Manje sikhuluma manje ngathi ihlanga no it happened.
Wow.
Yeah. And then ngizobuza umbuzo uthukule ngohlanganise ube wodwa so ube nesikhathi ungekho kusona emoyeni sesibheke nje kwigagasi njengamanje ube nesikhathi ungekho kusona emoyeni ngesikhathi ubungekho emoyeni ngiyacabanga ukuthi besinzima kakhulu so ngizocela ukuthi ukhulume ngaso ngaleso sikhathi nje ukuthi bekunjani ukuba off air also ne support oyitholele kuma industry colleagues ngishiswa yini lokho ngishilo ukuthi khona abangekho supportive kodwa ukuthi khona ba supportive kakhulu
sure too much
from Tina esibukela from outside besikuzwa uma kuba breakfast show ka DJ Sbu ku Tibo Touch
sure
and be voucher for you.
Sure.
Ukuthi buyele emsakazweni.
Sure.
That support. So how was that support for you?
And maybe bro for Muzak, because I always concentrate on the positive side. DJ Sbu, my dog Tash, Daddy Tusom Dawongo, Lesedi FM, community radio stations, but Gakulgas, the listeners and the fans.
Yes.
I will be making a huge mistake if ngabonga abantu. Nababongela the podcast to say thank you so much, guys. Because for you to invite, ngale uthi I'm a living legend, but to uthi believe everything I just want to say thank you. It's supporting Itolile. It's amazing. I've been very busy since 2014 to now. Paduhlelo. Do you know I will call a radio personality in Texas Pro? Awungenzele lo msebenzi. Or a client will say, "Aye, sicela ungamlate lo msakazi lo, sicela sikulinda until you available."
Wow.
Ngisebenze ngisebenze bengibusy man. Yo, too much. So after radio abalaleli you know okunye mfo respect abantu, you know ngithola ukuthi ngibize kwi meeting noma ngo present a concept endaweni ethile ngithi ngi present concept kukhuluma umuntu onjengoNtobeko or Ntokozo athi brother ngicela umoqeda sikhuluma I know this the project is mine like company. You came to Magic Tour. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Motivate.
Wow.
So abantu ngihlala ngithi kubantu abantu mangingedwa mangikhulumela hlala ngithi when you kill one Linda Sibiya you are making a huge mistake. There are many Lindas out there. There's Linda here, there's Linda here. You no matter one but you say that's my guy.
Yeah.
So what you abantu abaningi bebekhuluma ngole Linda bangimele kuma companies bangimele kuma departments ngithi ngiyafika president ku department athi umuntu no we'll do it for Linda ngithi ngiyafika athi umuntu no if you ufuna Linda Sibiya menzeleni thina we want him to ukuthi ayenze because mina wangimotivate Linda Sibiya or ufuna sponsorship mnikezeni boss Linda Sibiya ngaba naye. So leyo nto I will always be grateful. We industry other journalists bro I won't lie to you about time my brother please Sibiya ngicela ungithathe very serious the side of your story. Ngizosibhala as ukhuluma sodobe ngithi I don't even write it ngiyabonga but uDJ Sbu and Tash bro they've been there with me but ukhozi Tatu God DJ Stemeza the late BK bro
Wow,
thank you so much Stemeza Jata you talk about me on radio risky msebenzi wakhe usiqhemeza khulume ngama ukubhede yamangifonela manginento ethile enzakalayo they would call me Felix Stop kwiGagasi FM he would call me kwiGagasi angimele angitshela angithama he loves me. He parked his car Florida Road. Right, bro, I don't care what car you're driving. You are doing very well. You are out of radio. But I want you back on radio. That guy supported me.
Yeah.
Alex Mtiana said something powerful. Sikunda when saloon nje nganakile wathi moqede ngicela ukukhuluma nawe ngaphuma ngaphandle wathi I don't care what you're doing, we still need you on radio.
Wow.
What noma ngaba nani uyadinga noma yanga eGagasi Sibiya noma ngathuya kuphi la uzoyakhona siyakudinga kwi radio kusho Alex Mtiana.
Wow.
So la ubantu akufanele ngimangila kunina ngingakhulumi ngabo ngingasho ukuthi nayi into ababeyisho Grant Chakwane told me before I show wathi ngithema ngizokuthukuza la wathi I'm telling you one day you will go back, one day you will be a station manager, you be young man, you are great. Thuso Mtawung.
Wow.
Engile emehlweni ethi no mfana wami. So ngababonga ukuthi they gave me support abangashayi ngami bakhuluma ngami. They were there. They bahlabama nami. Another friend of mine, Makasela Mzobe, here's my dog. He's been with me since the Magic Tour days up until today. I think 24 years. Sazana naye Emile nami Sazana.
Wow.
Yeah. So angeke ngikhohle.
Wow.
No. Thanks for sharing that, Sotop.
Yeah. No. I think we have to go to your current home.
Yes, 100%.
No, we can't close the interview without going to your current home.
Yeah.
Which is now iGagasi FM. Very recently we were present.
Yeah, sure.
Saskon, when you were unveiled as part of the team.
Yes, Ntobeko.
Oh, usibona sala pha kwi.
Ngambona Ntobeko ngathi yeah. I'm coming. No, and again, You know the way actually message if I get a show, it was good, man. And
Yeah.
I'm okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to them. Definitely.
Yeah. So, when did these talks start happening?
You know what? Mina wathanda ukuthi ngibizwe MD umphathi. Mina no Alex no Ayanda. We submit no Ayanda kancane briefly. I think 2023 no Ayanda Milan.
So it's from 2023.
You were just talking to Alex.
Yeah,
No,
okay.
Radio. No, Ayanda Milan. No, what do you think, Linda? Magic. Were you busy? You can do one show, Magic. I'm like, yeah, guys, I can do one show. But I think I'm the time, to be honest with you. I think it's first time in I was like, no, man, let me just forget about radio. Let me just concentrate in business. In fact, this is unity. Let me just do in university in RPL after your 10 years experience.
Yes.
Then they can give it to you something.
Yes. Summer credits.
Yeah, my credits. Okay, let me just do it, and then and then I'm like, 2020. I'm like, okay. Against the Magic Tour 2023 and 2024, and then met Minent Umpati. Hey, how are you doing? Sure. Hey, listen. 31st, man.
Yeah.
Linda, we can't afford you. It's no, man. What, Linda? Sathula. Can't you idea got 31st?
Yeah.
You know the idea at 6 to 9 of Felix Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Not okay. Are you sure? Please be a guest. I couldn't 31st.
Yeah.
And then boom, met Alex, met Ayanda, boom, let's do the breakfast. Please, can you just bring the old flavor of radio?
Okay.
Don't want jelly in much as like a gagas. You're not a gagas person. Just bring that thing. OBN's are doing. And then Monday, Felix Fedwang embrace him.
Yeah. I know.
Fully zand.
Yeah.
What to take the desk when the opening link. I'm like, no, do it. And me man. We did it. And then the third one Thursday and then bang bees. But no, tomorrow we want to tell the listeners good. I will be born. I'm gonna be teenage citizens with 31st. Oh, I was like, okay. One drive and it okay so to me, like I believe in my style maybe. Alex, why I am? I'm like, okay. Yeah, but I was confused on Thursday. But Felix is like, wait. Felix was like, wait. Wait. Then Friday, then Bachelor Badale, when we post, got us 10,000 likes.
Yeah.
Oh. And then in 8 minutes, we like on 7,000.
Yeah.
We were like, I still don't know. We were not expecting intentionally. My Pelly showed 30,000. And then later was 200,000. So that thing, it was powerful. I went home, I went to bus. I drove a show.
Wow.
I've had ending. I tell you, Lailan. I didn't put them down. I did the first I speak Nama.
Yeah.
I tell my boss. And then tell Dog but too silly. But let's go, Doc. Let's go. Let's do this, man.
Yeah.
Then I said yes. Then we're gonna do it. But then for me, I seen then it wasn't to know Selby and Felix. Later it was Selby and Army.
Sure.
Yeah.
We were nervous, so preparer. And then in Goma, we were like, but no, it's a surprise. I sent any show, and it's in the studio, and then we did it. And then during the show, I crashed the app,
Yes, you did.
app, and my downloads was 19,808 in my app.
Wow.
It was too good.
Wow. No, it was amazing.
No, it was
it was amazing.
Yeah.
It was amazing. I was listening. Luckily I'm at Durbanite, so ngangilalele.
Sure.
Ngangilalele ku-FM. So angibanga ne-stress salabantu engangibabona be-complain
Bekhala
social
bethiyo.
media.
Mina yacrasha because ngangila eThekwini as
Yeah.
well, but anginayo radio and nohlobo
Oh, yeah.
endlini, so ngilalela kwi-digital. So yacrasha. I'm like, hey, actually I was WhatsApp. I think I was talking to Sal Beyonce on WhatsApp. I'm like, I can't do anything. I can't listen. It was madness.
It was too much.
It was madness. It was big though. So
And then ngisikhuluma ke ngilana phi manje ke.
Yes.
Ngisakhuluma ukuthi mina what do you think? Ngathi no it's fine. I'm very busy. Kodwa boss, I have a passion. I would love to be part of the station, contribute. I want to grow. I know it's a little bit of English and Zulu. I just want to do something as challenge manje. okay, link yami is gonna be different if ngenza a Sunday show or whatever show. And then she said, came back, but no, but I can see Sunday show is fine. Boss were busy. Listen, can you do 1 hour? What do you mean? What the early breakfast? Why? What? No, that let's just cut 5 to 6. Kunabantu by airport, drive in the morning and seal it.
Yeah.
And then like ngapela drive, ngaphumeli ngapast 4. Ngathi hayi man. Bengayinaki lento.
Yeah.
What? Ngathi no, MD, no, no. What? No, for an answer, you're doing it. Alex, what is bad? We're at 5 to 6. What? Now I'm putting a name. Early breakfast with Linda Sveya. Do it. And I said, okay, it's fine. Yes, let me do it. Mm-hmm. I know Gucci people are bang money, but yeah. Okay, we say Sunday show, yeah. So we say right. Hey, 5 are you sure? I need to ngaqala ngenza rate from 12 to 5.
Yeah.
In the morning. Now ngisize ku10 boss, I'm a businessman. So mangiqeda ngo6 ngizongena egym next door.
Yeah.
Or 8 my daily yaqala.
Yeah.
Then ngiyaqeda ngo5. So and again, ngifuna break a record as well.
Yeah.
You're good in that.
I love that.
I want to break a record. I want to measure with MRMs as a teeny within. Ngifuna ukwenza attract LSM 1 to LSM 16 to 18 to 34, and then I want to attract to 35 to 45. I want that the you guys, your Black Diamonds. I want to make sure with you guys in the morning. I don't know. Motivation every day. No, it's not going to be motivation. It's going to be something. It's going to be magical.
Yeah.
I want to do something when you go. We are going to before check in 5:30. Check in 5:30. But there is something. I want to. Ngizotargeta abantu abanebusiness, ngizotargeta abantu abafuna umsebenzi, ngizotargeta abantu abayisebenzayo, ngizotargeta abantu abathi ngifuna abathengi wangaka ngithi I will tell my first show ngifuna wonke umuntu ofuna ukuyibulala to come next to radio. Come with intambo yakho nesibhamu sakho namaphilisi akho, and then ngifuna choose me or uyibulala.
Wow.
Something well, you've already won a listener in me. So
ngifuna umuntu okwibusiness othi bathina ngeke isebenza lento.
Yeah.
But ngifuna ukuthi kwena mokuphela usiya ku June sengibiza abantu ngithi ngenza It's Not Over gala dinner in business. Better abantu because of the 1 hour today we're doing it. I want that. I want to have people abanjengani to say come to the studio, let's talk. Why this pot? The 5 minutes wamenza ukunika wona. Sell this thing to clients. Sell yourself.
Yeah.
Muntu ongasebenzi abantu ama CVs, abantu abangama graduates. I want them to say I was employed. I can see why these people are going to start? Why they're not motivating people to say no? Let's push. Let's go out there. So ngizokwenza something. Ngifuna ingane ebincane kwesikoleni ngifuna umuntu ongafuna attend today at the flip I'm going. Ngifuna umuntu ozoba nepapalazi othi Magic bro ngiyahamba nepapalazi I'm going there. I want to do. Ngifuna umuntu okuma drugs ozothi I'm not going to do it. I want to challenge people because in that hour it's going to be something. It's going to be music. It's going to be me. Ngizobe Magic. But futhi ngizobe aggressive to this time ngikhondi ngiveza yokuba aggressive to you to tell you to know moshale pe taxi you must go and look for that work you must go and get it. You want to make it. Let's say mfuna sibe no 30 days, no 15 days, so that when I do a seminar ngithi onke umuntu okade lalele othi I've ngikwenzile. Let's meet. Lapha Gagasini kune phone.
Yes.
I want listeners. Yeah, I want listeners to come there and see the Sunday show. I want to do a live show, a last day of the month. I want to have Ntogo Zombamba. I want to have your fans for free of charge. Go and get tickets. Uzobe khona uqobo. There's be live every day. Nimbuga gibena. Something that engakazenzeka. I want pastors. I want motivational speakers. I want to have a last Sunday. People abangasebenzi, abangama graduates. Premium must come there. I speak to them.
Yeah.
Let's do radio. Work and pray. Amaromati. Work and pray. I want to bring MECs. Mfungba challenger on air. Wuti MEC or transport on Sunday. We're doing a show here. Come and speak to people about construction. They are coming. Make sure they battle the pants. Go in the show. Make pay the show. Then they speak to them because radio man is lugile. We're on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram. I mean, we podcasting in German.
Yeah.
So it must do something. So again, I don't think I'm a podcast seminars where we're gonna call everyone in one room. You come and do your presentation. This is what we do to government. Man beg. I need to regulate. Then then advertise, then
Yeah.
do something. Do community work with podcasters. With Nababakon. Why podcasters angabi MCs in these gigs at government? I'll make an example. I went to an event on Friday, pre-Easter. I saw people on TikTok that come to greet abantu, but no, I'm not come and greet people. Then when they TikTok, they were shocked to know, because I ngiyakubona on TikTok and then come on stage. So why can't we take Untobeko Nontokozo to people and say, my followers are 100 or 200 or 20 or 6. Then government, you put money to them. Babe, ama ambassadors, like we did no Peggy Telebe, no we transport. Like then we were ambassadors, no charter, no Mamko, no Alex.
Yeah.
So I'm bringing that in radio. Okay, anything a beggar, party much. I'm bringing something like that. I want to see graduates. I want to see 2Ks. I want to clock it with them. I want to have dialogue. Let's talk. Let's meet. Let's have coffee. If we would have a sponsor, and this after your show on Sunday. Bring a graduate kakasini bafika kakasini lapha matafreni shall set up and then we talk business 1 hour and go, because sometimes we go to churches, we preach, we don't have time ukubiza abantu bewasing proba kwa SARS. Let's have SARS to come and teach people how to comply. Thank you, sir. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be
Oh my days.
Oh my days.
Oh my days.
Wow. No, well, I will definitely be listening. I listen to the morning shows, but now I think balahlekelwe lababanye.
I
used to listen
so
to...
we at break when we come back.
I used to listen to Kulegani. But you are taking over now, so Kulegani Mbambo, he was the one who's doing this. Yes, and there's Rory Sang on Metro, but now ingakho ngithi ke sengingala.
And we tell feedback as well.
You will definitely
I will really need a feedback from you to say, okay, so Magic, but this hour, because right now we're back to Masundun Kalawa time, okay. No, I want to take this show yesterday, bro. To go to churches. Let's go to churches. Let's get motivational speakers. Let's get. But imagine yabona the wave in my podcast. Aye, guys, let's take our podcasters out there to the people, and then government and business people to make sure with other brands. Why can't you push other brands? This is what we are doing. So with your influence, with your knowledge as well, to Dagangna podcast, but with your knowledge and then your influence, let's sit down and talk and see what we can do, because Buffett, the world is waiting for us there.
Definitely.
100%.
Yeah.
So Dom, umuntu ofisa ukusakaza nothanda ukusakaza unesikole ukuthola kanjani?
Magic Broadcasting Academy Sikona, and then this year 2026 we said with Utando Nonjabulo, this was a master classes every Friday, last day of the month, we're doing our master classes all over South Africa. So when the job back ngenze uMthatha ngenze uMpumalanga ngenze iKZN, so we want to have a partnership as well. So it's going to be a 1-day masterclass from 8 o'clock to 5, and then we give our certificates. And then is where so no, you're not a broadcaster. You are a content producer. Come this side. You are not a content producer. You are a technical producer. Because sometimes we make a mistake. You are not called for Utu Sagas. You know, come up with something on Ayenze, right? So this year, my plan or my vision, my dream one day is Uguti. Ngibona kama universities and our radio stations, so that we can have young people bekwazi ukuthi baqhubeke baye phambili. So umuntu othanda ukusakaza bengicela ukwazi ukubatshela ukuthi for the Magic Broadcasting Academy uma master classes, they must come in numbers so that they can. I'm giving back to the community, man.
Definitely. In fact, Sotobe, once you have secured the dates, share with us,
okay,
so we can also share on our pages, because we are a podcast that is followed a lot by abantu abathandi radio.
I know. Yeah.
So they can definitely benefit from those masterclasses, you know.
Yeah.
And today is kashane esincane siwatholile ama masterclasses.
Sure.
So can you imagine when we come to the venue?
Futhi mina ngidelanga ngicala ukusho nje. Ngidelanga ukuhleza kokwansile Sotobe.
Yeah.
No, I'll come back.
You see, that's a confirmation on camera.
I'm in the province, and then let me come back and share on TV, about TV as well. Because we are accredited by MICT. So we are accredited. So must keep certificate. It's the accreditation.
Yeah. You see the good thing, namhlanje, because it's your first time here. It involves the profile. It involves the background. So like any other guys that we asebeke babuyo kwesibili, sisuke sesine topic nje. So asabheka indaba ye background, usebenze SABC sizwa nje ne topic.
No problem.
Nansi topic nje.
That would be nice. No,
and nothing else.
Yeah. I love that.
So we know this is what we are talking about.
Yeah. Like now, but when Yamati radio is dead or radio is dying.
So
we'll come back.
Topic.
That's a podcast that will rate.
Yes. Yeah.
Which is not true. I don't subscribe to that. I don't subscribe to that.
Yeah. No. It's been a good one, a beautiful one. I think it's a good place to end it. Eh?
Let's call it a day. So
no, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming through. We appreciate you.
No, thanks. I'm
beside myself because I'm sitting next to a legend, an absolute legend. I've never thought I will sit next to you.
No, thank you so much, sir.
I've known you since I was a child, and right now sitting right next to you. I can't believe it.
No, thank you
so
so
thank
much.
You so much. Sibonga ukuyithoba kwakho nokusihlonipha nje si podcast anyana encanyana. You've done a lot for us. Sibonga kakhulu.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Now, Sotobe, these we are wearing for the first time. We're launching our own merchandise.
Oh, okay.
But we just want to appreciate you for coming.
No,
so
thanks.
we got one.
Usa
Soulungisa mawungalungile. Sotobe, this one is for you.
No, thank you guys.
Rockets. We just want to appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Guys, I've got a gift, right?
He's declaring on camera. You must declare.
Guys, it's free.
Ni hao.
Oh, 2XL.
Yeah. But mangayo, you just tell us. Get to the right side.
You're right.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Podcast Radio and stuff. Thank you so much for subscribing and continue to watch our content and continue to share our content and comment. Thank you so much. We were hosting the legendary Sotobe. Kamalam Guntokozo Chap.
I'm Tobe Okuluse, but I feel like Sotobe should sign us out as well. No, Sotobe.
Let us be the show good do now. We are Tinder, we are Tanda, we are support, we are subscriber. While in the port, let us be the magic. It is not over. Ni hao. All my days.
All my days.
Oh, guys.